I-credit report necheck nyalo kuthi vele yathi ngale payslip yami bese ngasakhona ukuphila yini lengakhona ukuthi ngiphile is because kushintshe ema circumstances the financial landscaping ishintshile bantu abami sebase high school solongo le salary uyakubona once ulwendo usikhulisela once in a while uthi nje chwa awumathi utaphenza athi chwani uyakubona but wena isalary ingena on a daily basis on a monthly basis buka ke le credit report yakho le uthi no yathi mina hayi man benginawo ama savings but ngicabanga ukuthi ngiwakhulisa ngaso much ayi mina bengide ngiyawavula but ngithi investment singine bank nalama emabhangi sesivele sesiyekele ukuthi buya uqala fixed deposit le 5000 uyabona ungathi nje 10% wami ngimjikjelela uthole 5000 ni savings yami behlala ngithi uvula savings account faka 50 emalangeni wakho uyabona so no man Nedbank naleni ibhange liyasho ukuthi yathi ngamfaka 1000 fixed deposit seyikhona leyo chance sekunanele le netbona asengithathe nje una back pay angithi nyalo sihlulekile lekuqaleni because asitholanga financial literacy inkumbi yethu sihluleka naye nokuseva 50% 30% ayimani 20% but ngithi asengiyilaye na back pay nanaba laba igadzile ngoba nine button fana na Nedbank kwethu kuba nje undercover isubmarine babona nine kudolo ngathi uthi bunanzi bunje ku civil servant ya the pressure ngeke uyimaintain imali ehleli current account as long as ifamily yakho ithatha there is no way uthi uqhamuka komntana ngazange sekuthole 100% because sathana akufuna ube nemali yabona kusuka komntana kujabule nje 100% na subject nemathi bese ukuthi mami phela nina sivile lokuthi kumnandlana yini ungangithathi namhlanje sengiyodla ama prawns you understand into langazange ayicela because you are happy nale mali ihleli current account that asuthathe ndovula investment account le stability financial stability ma savings kungawe ama savings kumqokwa esikhathini esiningi ungawabekeli ngisho umuntu lomthanza kakhulu ukuthi uyaseva because ugaza kubohle ubathi wa nabathi nje baba umsindo uyabathulisa bantu laba bangumsindo nawubathengelela kumnanzi bantwana bayabinza nasekhaya nawuthi nje nyali kuyosiwa ngelisondo uyithatha la kuma savings ema savings akho ukuthi how do I stimulate the people engihlala nabo how do I stimulate myself ukuthi ngibuye ngiphile above the challenges ma savings but nyalo asesintshonje umphathi umlethe esikhathi esincane asintshonje phela ku back pay ngemabomu nje uthi Nedbank aseketela bank ngithathe nje 1000 ngifeke la i-investment so wakha wealthy you are growing wealthy because the investment sekudalela interest and wena now utayibuka la app uthi ngina 1000 ngina 50 la already sokuqala i-financial journey le positive ungayi ukuthi ngakanani imali lokuthi incane le mali but le mali seyikhashana uthi uyoyithatha lapha ku investment seyine discipline enkulu ngoba awusakhona ukuyithatha nawuthi uyamfuna lo 1000 sitakucharge ingefike maturity nangabe kulikhuni ngithi nje awusomzame lo 1000 nyalo nje namuhla umzame for 12 months ahleti lapha noma ngakudalela lencane imali but ikhona the spirit of imali ukuthi kuthanze imali spiritual kungako ukuthi abantu abanemali bese sithi imali ithanza abantu abanemali ukuthi bahlala banayo bese iyabitana so wena nangabe lesala ayikhanzana noma kungathiwa uqualified ukuthi apply la position elingedulu qhamuka nje umuntu eceleni uyayithatha yabona ngaloko ukuthi yena le mali le salary ikhanzana noma ngabe ikhanzana lishumi uyabonakala lokuthi cha lo muntu lona akajabulisi abantu ngemali naNkulunkulu usuyamblessa usase ngomkhulisela atokhula le njabulo yakhe ngoba utagcina save 100 la agcina faka 5000 la nangomkhulisela i-credit reporting ke lokunye